अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। हम कल लेक्चर रिज्यूम करेंगे। हम टेक्सोनोमिक करेक्टर्स की बात कर रहे हैं और टेक्सोनोमिक करेक्टर्स में अभी तक हमने जिन करेक्टर्स की बात कर ली है वो हैं मॉर्फोलॉजिकल करेक्टर, फिजियोलॉजिकल करेक्टर एंड मोलेकुलर करेक्टर्स। आज जो है वो हम जिस करेक्टर की बात करने जा रहे हैं वो बिहेवियरल करेक्टर्स हैं। बिहेवियर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्टर व्हेन डिटर्मिनिंग द relationship between different taxa. Behavioral characters are superior than morphological characters because they are very very helpful in establishing the relationship between very close species. In fact, most of these species that were previously found to be same or belong members that previously found to be belong to same species, but on the basis of their behavioral pattern, we have identified that they belong to the different species, although they are morphological identical. On the basis of behavior, we are also able to identify different sibling species, but there's also some drawback of behavior, that it cannot be studied in preserved material, and behavior can also be changed according to the environmental condition. For example, in breeding season, or even in 24-hour period, or in different seasons, or in the presence of crowded area, or means there are lots of factors that can affect the behavior, but still it's very important mechanism which we use, in very important taxonomic character which we use to establish a relationship between the different organisms. In fact, a whole discipline has been given to the study of behavior, that is called ethology. And when we compare the different species and their behavior, it have become comparative ethology. Behavior is very important. Behavior is also important in this way, that it is very important isolating mechanism. Through their behavior, species isolate from each other, and this isolation subsequently lead to the formation of new species. So behavior changes or behavioral isolation is the first thing that is important in the formation of new species in speciation. So behavioral changes also encounter different adaptations, or they due to different environmental conditions, species adapt themselves for different behaviors, and subsequently they convert into different species. So in this way behavior is also important as well. Now since behavior has very long term importance in the in as taxonomic characters, so we have established different ways to find out the behavior, to study the behavior. For example, uh, different species of birds, or different species of crickets, or frogs, or different avian genre has been established, has been categorized or classified on the basis of their sound. So the sound measurement or sound recording and its translation has been done through the sonograph. And a different sound of different animal organisms are recorded, and then they are compared. The species that belong to different species have different frequency, different sound pattern on the sonograph, so we can identify their relationship, or this is really helpful in the classifying. In addition to this, the courtship and acoustic behavior has also been very important in establishing the taxonomic status of this species. For example, different mites and caterpillars have been used in the for the classification of different mites and caterpillars. Their web construction is used. The pattern of web construction is used, that how they form their web, or the how which pattern they follow, and this pattern subsequently lead us to the to their classification. Similarly, behavior patterns are sometimes very complex, but it require ones to take